Hi, I'm Greg from EMS, here today to show you how easy it is to set schedules on EMS's EMStat thermostat. There are a number of benefits to having a programmable thermostat, things like increased comfort by maintaining a consistent temperature or saving time by spending less of your time fiddling with temperatures. But the big benefit of a programmable thermostat is really the money you save. Everyone knows it costs money to heat or cool our home, so by telling our thermostat to not run when we're not there, we save money. It's simple, but it's also big money. Heating and cooling costs can be thousands of dollars a year, but by programming our thermostat, we can save 20 to 30% of that amount. It can be hundreds of dollars each year. But a programmable thermostat can only save you money if you program it. And setting schedules is the main programming feature to get this done. The EMStat thermostat from EMS is not only fully programmable, but it's also Wi-Fi. And we've written a simple-to-use app that lets you easily set your schedules from a desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. No more excuses. You do need to have one of the following in order to talk to your EMStat. Either an email from EMS with the direct link to your EMStat, or your first utility bill from EMS that has your login information to EMS's web portal. This video assumes that you already have one of these and that you have already opened the EMStat app on your computer, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. If you don't have either of these, just call or email us and we'll help you out. Let's get started setting schedules. You should be looking at a screen that looks like this. The first screen that you come to when you open the EMStat app is always the status update screen. The green highlight tells you which screen you're on, either status update or schedule or vacation. We want to set schedules, so click on the schedule button on the top of your screen. You should now be looking at a screen that looks like this. For the rest of the video, I will be working from a computer. Working with the EMStat on different devices will be exactly the same except for the smaller screens, which means that you will need to scroll up or down, left or right. Programming the EMStat schedule is simple. For each day of the week, Monday through Sunday, you have up to 4 time periods, or schedules, where you can program your temperature. The times and temperatures are completely up to you. If you want multiple days to have the same schedule, like Monday through Friday, you set the schedule for one of the days and then copy it to the others. Always remember to hit Save to lock your changes. Let's start by breaking down the screen into its 4 main elements. The day of the week, the schedules within the day you're working on. There are 4 schedules for each day of the week. The Copy To section, and the ever so important Save button. Nothing happens until you hit Save. We also have a quick programming guide PDF that is available to download from our website. It suggests starting with a chart to write down your daily schedule, then working from that chart to program your EMStat schedule online. For each block of the chart, you need to choose a time and temperature range. This will make more sense later in the video when we compare the chart to the EMStat program. The quick programming guide also gives you the Energy Star recommended settings. Here's a sample schedule that we will use for this video. Remember, this is just an example. The times and temperatures are completely up to you. And here's how the sample schedule ties into the EMStat program. We have the day of the week, the day we are working on, and the schedules. Schedule 1 is get up, Schedule 2 is leave, Schedule 3 get home, Schedule 4 go to bed. These are the typical times that temperatures change in a living space. You don't need to use all 4 schedules, but you do need to have at least 1 active schedule per week, and we recommend at least 1 active schedule per day. So working within Monday Schedule 1, first use the slider to make sure the schedule is set to active. Inactive schedules are ignored by the system. Then set the time that you want the temperature to change. In our example, Monday Schedule 1, get up, is 6 a.m. Now set the temperature range that you want to maintain. The lower temperature is the coldest you want to be before turning on the heat, and the higher temperature is the warmest you want to be before turning on the air conditioning. Just think of it as the lower temperature is for your heater and the higher temperature is for your air conditioner. If you set them properly, you shouldn't have to make any seasonal changes to your schedules. The temperatures do need to be at least 2 degrees apart, though we recommend a minimum of 4 degrees. Otherwise, your heater will constantly be fighting your air conditioner. The wider the temperature range, the less your unit needs to work, and the less that your unit needs to work, the more money you save. In our example, Monday Schedule 1, temperature range is between 70 and 74 degrees. Now set Monday's mode. We recommend auto. If you set the mode to cool, then the heat will never come on, and if you set the mode to heat, the air conditioning will never come on. Again, if you set your temperature range correctly and your mode to auto, you shouldn't have to ever adjust your settings. Now set the fan to auto as well. If you set it to on, it will run continuously for the entire schedule. If that's what you want, you can make it happen, but that's not the normal setting and not what we're demonstrating today. Turning the fan to on is something that is more typically done for a short period of time, which is best done in override mode, but that's a different video. Your Monday schedule should now look like this. This is a good time to hit save. Repeat these steps for all 4 schedules for Monday, remembering to hit save each time. You should end up with Monday looking like this. Next, we want to copy Monday's schedule to the other days with the same schedule. In our example, Monday through Friday are the same. In the Copy To section, Monday is gray, indicating that this is the day we are working on. One at a time, click Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Tuesday through Friday should now all be highlighted in green in the Copy To section. Click Save and Monday's schedule gets copied to Tuesday through Friday. You can verify that all 5 days are set correctly by clicking on the various days to review your settings in the Day of the Week section at the top of the screen. Monday through Friday should now all look like this. We're almost done. Continuing with the sample schedule, we need to do Saturday and Sunday separately because they have different schedules. Start by selecting the day, Saturday, then for all 4 schedules, set them to active, set the time, set the temperature range, set the mode, set the fan, and finally, please don't forget to click Save. Do that for Saturday and Sunday, and you're done. We hope this video has been helpful to you in setting up your EMStat schedules. We welcome any comments. Please send them to the email address below. Here are some other resources we have to help you work with your EMStat. From everyone at EMS, thanks for tuning in.